as usual, you will see that you have like the lock screen and stuff. So I am right now it's 1956. Then I go back. I'm not gonna use my password because like I don't want to share my password, so I'll just use my fingerprint. After you'll see like the Play Store, email, gallery, calendar, contacts, Google, Microsoft apps, phones, messages, internet and stuff. Then you go here, you will see my stuff. Like I have TikTok. Like I love playing this game so much. It's so much fun. So I'm level 572. So even like TikTok is my favorite. Okay. After I have like all these games. Wait. All these games I have like it's so much fun. Yeah. There's not really much. I mean, like right now I'm recording, as you can see, AZ screen recorder. It's I really like my phone. Like, look at the camera. Hey, hello. Let me do that. Do one with stickers now. Instead of.
عادي
Okay.
داك الف
Okay, so it's pretty much really fun. Okay, so that's pretty much what I have on my phone. Boomerang, the thick boomerang. Yeah. Okay, save. So that is pretty much what I have on my phone. Yeah. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.